Welcome to SlideSieve. Hover over the floating toolbar to explore controls, auto capture, manual snap, position, and side panel. Click auto capture to start real-time slide detection, then play the lecture video. As your video plays, SlideSieve automatically identifies genuine slide frames in the background, skipping talking head instructors and dark transitions. Every captured slide will instantly show inside the extension side panel. Review your slides in 3 different views. Scan all thumbnails in grid view, read page-by-page outlines in PDF list view, or step through slides in full presentation view. Click the Stop button to stop automatic slide capture anytime. Finally, click Export PDF to compile all captured slides into a clean, multi-page document, preserving original aspect ratios.